Hello everyone, my name is Gage Jones and this is development update number 1. So in my journey of 3D printing, I have built this 3D printer as in these photos, and you can see that I took pictures of a lot of things. You can see right here is on the table, and then I put it together, which looks like that. Connect a few wires and the monitor right here. Then I set fully up and took a picture right there. And here's the final picture of it fully complete. Here we have a 3D model I custom made. This is for Mr. Ling's thermometer. As you can see, that it was perfect. And then right here is something for my uncle I made. So you can zoom in on it, and you can see it was almost an identical match. If we go on, you can see another photo of it being almost an identical match because it was underneath. And then this is when it was on top, and you can see it's pretty similar. And right here, I was just talking about how I've been working on. One second. So I was just talking about how I was making custom 3D prints and all of what I've been learning. And then here I was talking about how I was building the 3D printer. I have Trello here, which is helping me get everything done in an orderly manner. So right here we have 3D print objects for people. Right here, and I've done that, so it has a little green mark, and it's in the done column, and same with the build the 3D printer. I'm currently working on creating a clock, which as you can see I have already planned, and I already figured out the gears. I have to do is finish a cruise ship design. That is a design I'm working on to 3D print, and then I'm also going to make a game at some point. And here we can see that I have been updating right here with code from Arduino Uno, which is right here, which is making the motor spin at 1 RPM. And I finally got stable, so you can see I said it was stable. I have used Fusion. Here is Fusion. Here's the 3 gears. It's not fully done yet, but you can see this is what's kind of going to look like. The big gear, which is the biggest gear that's going to be in it, is just about 2.4 inches, which isn't too bad at all. And then, those are really small gears, so I'll 3D print that, and that's about it. And with my Trello, I've been trying to get more of this done. I just need to create the design. I've 3D printed a few of the gears, but they haven't worked. Only one they've worked, but they aren't the right size anymore, so I have to 3D print all of them now. But it's turning out pretty good, and I will update over here when I get more information. As you can see right here, it says looks like this part is still under construction because I have not finished the page. I'm still working on it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.